Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Guruji, I want to enhance my sadhana further. Should I do more number of chants? How many rounds of chakra meditation should I do? Please give me the direction to go deeper into Rajamatangi sadhana. Also, if there are instructions to enhance Batuka Bhairava sadhana. Yes, you can increase, one round of Rajamatangi. Practice it for minimum 1 to 2 months. Again, you increase one more round. Like this, maximum 7 rounds you can do it, but don't do more than 7 rounds. Otherwise, what happens, you will start getting a detachment, and if detachment happens, you will not be involved in your life, family life, so it is going to be very difficult for you. So I advise you, only increase maximums, your chakra meditation 7 rounds. Okay, if your ishta is a Rajamatangi. Batuka Bhairava, don't increase the rounds, just chant the Batuka Bhairava as it is. And if you want, you can do the Havan of Rajamatangi sadhana. That is also intensifies your communication, going to be better with universal consciousness of Rajamatangi. That you can do it. But whenever you increase one round, please be careful. If you are doing 3 rounds, increase one round like a 4 round. Practice again for 1 to 2 months. Then only you can increase again one more round like this, because your body need to adjust to that energy, that's vibration. Otherwise, you may feel fever, cleansing will start happening, fever, illness, and all those things will start. Be careful about that and follow the guidelines I have given to you. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.